This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first order of business is to launch the calendar app. So let me quickly do that myself. Then simply select the date you would like to host or set or create an event on. So I'll go with 26th of May, let's say. Then hit the plus icon to your bottom right, choose an event option from the list, and simply fill out all the event details, starting with its name. Then you can set the time frames for it, its repetitiveness or reoccurrence, invite some other people to attend, or simply add any other participants of this event. Then you can add the link to the video conference if that is what this whole event is about. Then you can set the location it will take place at, set up your reminding or notification preferences, making extra sure that you will not forget about this event and, well, making sure that you will be properly reminded about it. Then you can pick what color this event will have at the calendar itself, then perhaps write a brief description for it, add or simply attach the file. If, well, that's something you are particularly interested in, then hit the save button, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.